Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be revealing an item from Louis Vuitton. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, definitely go there now. My name is trendythread_. And if you are following me, you will know that I have sold a ton of things, luxury items on there. So if you guys like buying luxury for great prices, you should also make sure that you're following me there, because sometimes I kind of do like a closet sale and let some things go. So I did let go of a bunch of things. I am still selling a Prada bag that I have, and I sold a Chanel bag. Oh my god, I can't even think of what I sold. I sold 2 Fendi bags on there recently, so I sold a lot of things. And I honestly was planning just to save the money or pay off some bills that I have, and so I really wasn't planning on buying anything. However, when something rare comes up, you jump on it. So I mentioned that I picked something else up that is not here yet. But I did want to share this with you guys, because on my polls you said you just wanted to see this already. So I am going to be showing this now, and then hopefully my other item will come tomorrow and I will film another video with that, and then we'll kind of talk about the reason why I'm kind of mentioning both things. So anyways, without further ado, let me show you what's in here. Of course, as you know, I can never like do a true unboxing with you guys, because that's just impossible for me, but you probably might be able to tell what this is. This came with the receipt inside, the little ribbon, and oops, ta-da! This is the new Nice Mini, or the Mini Nice. So I'm sure you guys have seen the Nice BB. A lot of people have it, and they use it for cosmetics, or they wear it as a bag. This is made for cosmetics, because you can see how small it is. It doesn't have a strap or anything like that. But I was planning to wear it as like a mini handheld bag, and I'll show you what it looks like on me. So it's just super cute. The only thing that I have to say about it right off the bat, when I first got it and saw it in person, is that it doesn't have the 2 little rings that the Nice BB has. So you can't really attach it to, oh my gosh, I'm losing what I'm saying. Oh, you cannot attach a strap to it. However, I did see some people wrap around a twilly or a bandeau and then kind of like link their strap into that. I'm not so sure if I would do that. I definitely am a top handle bag person when I'm not with my kids, but it is nice to have that option to wear it as a crossbody, which I cannot do with this. So I do think that it's beautiful. Oh, let me just tell you guys what this costs. This costs $725, which I think is an amazing price for something like this. And I did have some, oh, I had leftover gift cards. Sorry guys, I'm kind of all over the place here. I had, as you guys know, if you have been following me and watching my videos, I did sell my, I did send back my Pochette Matisse to Louis Vuitton because it was defective. I had that bag, I got it in 2016, and I actually sent it back this year because I noticed some glazing issues, and they took it back, they gave me a credit, and I ended up getting the bum bag instead. But I had, I think it was like $450 or $500 left over in credits at Louis Vuitton. So I used that credit to get this. So I basically added about $200 or so. Which is pretty freaking amazing. And yeah, so let me just show you guys, if you haven't seen this. I always considered getting the Nice BB, but I just found that if I was wearing it as a handbag, it would be a little too boxy and bulky. So it fits, probably could fit quite a lot. Actually, let's do a what fits inside. I am wearing today my Chanel Jumbo. So let's see what I have. is, I didn't even do this, which is pretty funny, but if you guys know me, you know that I don't really carry much unless I'm gonna put a diaper, if I'm like out with my baby, diaper and wipes. And honestly, I think I can like definitely fit a diaper and like a mini pack of wipes in here. But let's just put my mini pochette accessory, my 6-ring key holder. You know what, I can actually, ooh, I could stand it up like this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys. So it's kind of standing up. The key holder can actually stand up also. Wow, you guys, this is gonna fit a ton. Okay, I'm putting my little HRH pouches in here. Oh yeah, my lip gloss and my phone. Where is my sunglass case? I wanted to fit my sunglass case in. Holy cow, you guys, this thing fits a lot. There's so much room in there. Like I could fit a whole other one of these plus like a card holder in there. That's crazy. The zippers are a little hard. As you guys know, Louis Vuitton zippers are very buttery and smooth, but oh my god, this thing is so cute. How am I supposed to send this back? So basically, my other item is sort of similar to this. I don't want to give it away, but if you're following me on Instagram, you probably know what I scored. But you guys, this thing is so damn cute. I'm not really sure what to do. I guess you guys have to stay tuned for my next video with my reveal on the other item and help me, because you guys know I love your opinion. I love to know what you guys think. I definitely want to know what you guys think of this little guy. What else? Yeah, I'm super curious to know your thoughts. And yes, make sure to subscribe. Definitely hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video so that you don't miss my next video. I'm hoping to get that up by the weekend or maybe even by the end of this week. And yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video and I'll see you next time. Bye.